video, I will be making slime because I did it incorrectly the last one. But for this video, I'm going to be making galaxy slime. After you put your glue in, you want to put around the same amount of shaving cream or even more. I used more, that's okay. And now you just want to mix them together until it all comes together. After you mix that in to make your galaxy slime, you want to add blue food coloring until it's like a nice dark blue, because you don't want light blue because you're making galaxy slime. After you have that into a nice blue, you want to add some reds so you can make your galaxy slime purple. And then mix it all together. Into a nice purple, you're gonna add some lotion so it is smooth and not hard. That was a lot. Use less than that. And mix it up. After you have that mixed in, you want to take some baking soda, which I didn't have in the last one, but you want to put just a little bit of baking soda so the contact solution will work. And I won't do much right now, but once you put the contact solution in, it will start working. So mix that up. And now I can put the contact solution in. Just want to keep mixing, and if you need to, add more contact solution. And you want to just keep mixing in your contact solution until the sides start coming off of the bowl and you can start to touch it. After your slime is ready to come out of the bowl, it will seem a little hard at first, but you just want to keep mending it, and if it helps, you might want to add some lotion because that helps. And you just want to keep mending it and moving it and stretching it without it ripping. Sometimes it helps just to let your slime sit for a little bit and just let it kind of take a breather, I guess. And then after a while, it will get stretchy. So I used quite a bit of lotion on this. And now it's stretchy. After you've done all that, you want to I have star glitter. And that's what's gonna make my galaxy slime, is the star glitter. So I'm just gonna pour that on and just mix it. You can also add black glitter or any other glitter you want to make it look more galaxy. So I'm adding black glitter. To get the black, the night feeling of it. Alrighty guys, after a lot of glitter and kneading with my hands, the slime finally turned out. It's really pretty. I added a lot more glitter. As you can tell, I added blue, purple, gold, and black, and the stars, of course. And this slime is just really pretty. I think it should be called Stardust. A Stardust slime when it has star glitter. So I think this is a great slime overall. I hope you guys made it and it turned out really well for you too, and you had a great time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.